Hello and welcome to part 2 of my moving vlog. In this video, I'll be tackling my utensils and shopping that I had in the house. Hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't, and if you love fashion and lifestyle content.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest.
So these are my personal stuff that I want to pack. I didn't even know I had this. I was just about to go and purchase some more. Just yesterday I was thinking about purchasing some more, but thank God I've had to ravage through the things that I have. I also found out that I have this, but to be honest, I do not use these ones anymore. I would rather use a bath cloth rather than using this. Because once you start using them and then they unravel and it's a whole hassle in the bathroom. This is just the shopping that I keep in the bedroom. In this place, this drawer is where I keep this shopping. I've not yet packed my jewelry. It's still waiting for me. It's like, hello, notice. Oh, this one also was among them. This is a coconut oil from Sedoso. Sedoso actually has affordable products, from hand wash, shower gels, shampoos, to now the coconut oil that I saw. And plus the packaging looks really nice. It looks really nice. Okay, so let me pack this and then I'll come back to you people. Bye.
We learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand.
There's still space in the box, so I'll try and fit in this stuff and see if it's going to fit. And it's already getting dark. I hope I manage this before tomorrow morning, because the movers will be here by tomorrow. And I need also to do the macaron. I'm done. This is everything that was there. Wait. Okay, let me just do it. Then God, I think they're going to fit. They're not so many. Plus, I've seen there's some stuff that I will need to toss out. Like this one. This one is empty. And this one, I'm not sure about it. Yeah, I don't know why I have this. It's not mine. Why do I have? Oh, I know why I have this. I use this for my hair sometimes. It's a remover. These are, what do we call them? Dental floss. Packed is my glasses, and I don't know where I'm going to put these ones. I'm thinking maybe in a handbag, so that nothing can happen to them. Sizipenda kusikia ati zilivunjika kama zika crack. It's now time for me to clear out the kitchen, throw out anything that is unnecessary or has expired, and just pack the rest.
And don't believe a lie, you understand me. Walk her down the
I don't know. Okay, I'm done with this part. I have to go there. Nipack hizo, and then hizi, and then hizo easy zitaenda hapo, and then hizi coffee na tea bag zitaenda hapo, but the my dishes and stuff nitatafuta place ya kuzieka. I have another box, and then here I don't know if I should start from here hivi and then niende hivi and then kuja hivi. Well, it's a true puzzle, but let me just do the best I can.
Pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer. Greater is the one within and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky and never wait upon the giver.
Here's what I managed to get. This is the Uji Blue Band. I bought it, the time I bought it just to taste how it is, and to be honest, I didn't like it. Mani miss jukpika, so I'm just looking for the expiring date so that I can know if I'm going to carry it or maybe toss it out. Yeah, this one has expired, so this one I won't go with it. And this one is expiring very soon. Oh my god, all this mixing. This is new. So for this Uji, Inyunga Uji, to be honest, I don't know when it's going to expire, but I don't trust it, so pia hiyo nitaimwaga. Mafuta kupika huwa ina expire kweli? In expire July. So that one is coming with me. This one, thank goodness. This one is still yet to expire. These black bags, in case kitu ina expire, menienda ku expire, just toss it here. Hizi ni hizo zingine nilikuwa natafuta. This peanut, I think it's very new. Salt ina expire kweli. This is my salt, and this one too. It's my salt. Ini curry powder. Tibags, this is nitangwaje. Cubes was expire kweli. And then there's cinnamon. I use this for cooking pancakes and mandazis. Cinnamon. Come on, kwani kwapi? Oh, it's here. We still have time with this one. Bado time. So I've gone through those. I just have to whip them and then pack them.
Like a dealer, take her higher, fly out the valley and the fire, take her higher.
Okay, I managed to remove the ones which are on top. I have kamande, popcorn seeds, and green grams. They are here. Is it a mob? And then here I have my selection of tea bags. I've checked them, they are not expired. This is coffee, the sweet peppermint, green tea. This one is, which one is this? Oh, this here, but there I have a mixture of that and I think other tea bags, and then here now I just have the Kericho tea bag. I'm not sure about this. Hii nacho nikitupa, but hii inaweza kuwa expire. Hii inaweza itupa tu. And then hapa I have a box of my other shopping that I need to go through, so that I can also put these ones here. Sijui zitatosha, but I'll try.
Fly up out the valley in the fire. Train her feet for running. Show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up. You're with the army, ready when the truth act up. Nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lions den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire then. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. Cold days. Never been a product of a flaw.
This is done. The only thing that has remained is the cereals, the tea bags, the Indomie. I was thinking of having some tea. Nimechoka. And also the salt. I think I should pack this one. This one. And then I have more stuff here. Mafuta. I have another mafuta. And this is sugar. Oh, this is sugar. This is a lot of sugar. and more utensils over there. Here, down here is where I usually put my garbage bags. That's why you're seeing they're falling, and also my shopping bags. So they're just there, garbage bag and shopping bags. I don't have a system of arranging them, so I toss them inside this gunia. But I know right now this garbage bag, I have so many, will come in handy. That one is my knife sharpener, and that one is my dish ya food. Wakati nilikuwa campus, we used to transnet, so I used to carry food in that. The rest, my pants and my other dishes. Yeah.
Environment never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away.
I've seen I moved this stuff to this bigger box. I'm going to fix that carpet to this bigger box because I still have more stuff over there, and I also have this huge sugar over here. Na zote lazima zitoshe. I want all my shopping to be in one box, not in scattered boxes. Hey, people, help me. See, it's already sunset. Help. Okay, let me finish up. These ones I'm not going to remove them. I'll wait for the movers tomorrow to come with more boxes to assist me in removing them, and also assist me in packing this because I don't have enough boxes. I only have this box, which I'm going to use for my what are they called, these things like Omoji detergents. I'm going to put them there, and soap and toilet paper, which I'm not even sure if they're going to fit. I also have more stuff over here, but I've been able to move my shopping to this big box. It has space, but not so much space because I still have some things that nitaziweka hapa. Yes, right now I want to get into my bathroom, nitoe hizo vitu zingine, and then I see if I'll be able to organize them here. This is everything from my bathroom. I have bar soap, bathing soap, and then bathing soap, Dettol. This is sanitizer, the white jig, S for cleaning the toilet. Those are toilet papers, so many toilet papers. And then this is my Downy, my shampoo from this Sedoso Sedoso shampoos. And also this is my conditioner, Nice and Lovely, but it's almost finishing. This is Zoe. These are shower gels, the 3 of them. This is Sedoso also. That's why I was saying Sedoso products are very affordable, and also they have variety. And then this is shower gel. These are shower gels. I like this one. It smells really nice. My Omo. I don't use toes. This is just Omo that I bought nikeka kwa mkebe ya toes. And then this is hand wash. Again, Sedoso. These people should make me a brand ambassador for this. Sedoso. And then this Fields of Africa. This one smells nice. Actually, I opened it just to smell it. Kiwi and this. What is this? That one. Insecticides. These are the ones that you put in your air freshener. Yes, air fresheners. I have remained with two, and then the easy ni zile Pepsodents zenye was na kuanga offer. They come in an offer. They come in 2. So I don't have a lot of things for the bathroom. The other things are shower gels and soap, and what else, and maybe the body scrubs, which I'm going to pack tomorrow after I have showered before I leave. I hope this zitatoshea hapa. I'm just hoping and praying zitatoshea hapa. Okay, let me just try and pack them. Kwanza the toilet papers, I don't know. I've managed to pack them the best I could, and I put also some things here. I also have enough a bit of space here where I'm going to put, I don't know, I'll find something I'm going to put. I still have cereals. I don't know if they can fit, but nikimaliza I'll be the happiest girl in the world. I also have these glass jars. This one's for I have this one. I'm going to show you the glass jars that I have. That one I need special packing for them.
Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running.
As you watch me prepare my dinner, I thought to share this information. Just in case you need a moving company to help you relocate, it is important to do your research. For me, I inquired from 4 different companies that I found online. They sent me a few questions and a quotation of their services. Then I compared the prices, and by faith I picked one company that helped me relocate. For the questions, they will ask you about the type of house that you live in, whether it's a bed-sitter, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, so that they can know how many movers they can send you. And also they are going to ask you from what location are you going to move into. And then again, they'll ask you what floor are you in, so that they can be able to give you a better budget for the cost of everything.
Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away. I need to get away now. I need to get away now.
It's been a long fight. It's been a long fight, and I just had to have a warrior spirit, and that's all. So I'm just.
Instead of it changing, it's making me better. I'm turning a new thing, it's making me stronger. Yeah, yeah. Christ is in my life, oh yeah, I'm good. Yeah, Christ is in my life, oh yeah, I'm good. Yeah. Whee!
This is the following day. I woke up a bit early. Ideally, I was to sleep in because I had asked the movers to come at around 11. And for breakfast, I made the leftover dinner that I had.
I can understand, you're a perfect man. Got the whole world in your hands, but you still reaching out for me. Ooh, wow, why you love me too? I'm nothing like you. Opposite of holiness was what I was, but I'm to you. See my soul and could you see why? Hold my hand high, could you see I?
So I chose to pick Better Movers Kenya for the moving process, and I loved how punctual they were. We had agreed that they would come in by 11, and by 10:49 they were already at the gate. To be honest, I highly recommend them, and they were very efficient, organized and patient also. Within 1.5 hours they were done packing and loading the truck. Plus, they had a great driver who was very careful while driving. Just in case you're thinking of moving, I would highly recommend them. Check them out on their Instagram at Better Movers Kenya and see their services. And also their prices are quite affordable.
You see me, I want to stop 'cause you keep me.
This was my OOTD, rubber shoes, sweatpants and a t-shirt. If you need a similar t-shirt, I do branding and I could customize one in your preferred design. Check out my IG page at Bizarre Prints. I did one last look at the house before I left to check if I had left anything behind, and also to take time in appreciating my stay here. These rooms were my home for more than 3 years, my safe space. I wish the next tenant's peace within these walls.